all that legwork? I know you said you got one. Did you get any others where you like made it to final rounds, or was all that work for like one interview, one first round interview?
Yeah, it's kind of depressing and a little bit scary, but there were I think I had some other phone interviews, but not any final rounds or getting called into New York offices like I wanted.
Okay.
Some quasi interviews, some first round phone screens.
Was that a
But
wake up? Was that like a wake up call to you? Were you shocked
oh
with
yeah,
all that
oh
legwork?
it was definitely scary. I remember I thought I was crushing it at this elite boutique, really good shop, really good team. Everyone was so nice. I talked to like 5 or 6 people, and then kind of right before interviews, this guy just looks at me and is like, "Hey, like at the end of the day, the kids who get the interview are the ones who have someone pound the loudest on the table for you." And I'm gonna be honest, I'm not that guy, and you didn't go to my school, kind of thing.